Hello, my name is Dr. Brand Neiman, and I am a data scientist, data journalist with Semantic Community in the Washington, D.C. area. I want to quickly show you the highlights of my introduction to the use of the Youngevity public website. The wiki pages for Semantic Community, Healthy Family Lifestyles, and Sheryl Morley's Youngevity nutrition business are shown on the first slide. This slide shows the Youngevity homepage. We're going to drill down into the contents of this web page in subsequent slides using the sitemap shown in the next slide. I did not find an actual sitemap page, so I created this slide with the topics and subtopics. This should help us find what we are interested in. First, I'd like to give you the benefit of my looking at a lot of these pages and provide some highlights, as you can read here, about products, growth, quality, and the compensation plan. Since most of you are interested in the compensation plan, I thought I would start to drill down here. This can get detailed and complicated easily, but at least it is all there and can be studied in detail, as in the next slide. This slide shows even more detail and specifics of the compensation plan. This slide shows the story of Sheryl Morley, once a Taco Bell assistant manager and now a Youngevity ambassador, one of only two in all of Youngevity, and second only to Dr. Wallach, the founder. Sheryl knows and talks about the compensation plan with particular emphasis on residual income, which allowed her to start with Youngevity at its beginning, take about 8 years off to marry and have and raise twins, and then to resume the Youngevity business in earnest to help others. Dr. Joel D. Wallach's story is also found on the Youngevity site and should be read along with his seminal book, Dead Doctors Don't Lie. The Youngevity website features a complete set of team member resources, which we will discuss in more detail in a subsequent tutorial. This website is a highlight for me and others because it lists and explains the 6 reasons why Youngevity will help your health and wealth, as many like to put it briefly. Youngevity has been featured in a recent issue of Success from Home magazine, and I found it to be a very worthwhile read. My experience with contacting Youngevity with questions has been very positive and useful. The Youngevity website provides detailed and interesting information on why you and those you love and care for should want to take the Healthy Body Challenge. I suggest you explore and read these web pages in detail. The number and variety of Youngevity products can be a little overwhelming, so I suggest you start with the basic ones and try them yourself, and then explore further to find your personal knowledge, to build your personal knowledge base. As I mentioned in a previous slide, the place to start is the Healthy Body Start Pack, consisting of 3 components. You should read the instructions and have someone who is using these explain to you how to use these products daily to achieve maximum benefit in the shortest time. Dr. Wallach is constantly researching and writing about new products for Youngevity to provide, and Imortalium is the most recent. Just the name should motivate you to want to know more. There are several ways to become a member and gain access to the member site with login shown here. Once you have logged in, you are presented with a screen which I will discuss in a subsequent tutorial. Just know now that there are valuable resources to help you do the business part of Youngevity if you wish to. If you are really serious about doing Youngevity business, there are even more valuable resources available in the Business Center through the login screen shown here. Once you have logged into the Business Center, there are resources available to you, and they are the subject of a subsequent tutorial. Thank you for your attention, and now on to the next training session if you would like.